بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are going to learn about this is the app. Uh, it's a very good app to learn recitation, memorization of Quran, and for translation and tafsir. So this app name is Ayaat. So how to use that one? Just go in the left corner. There's the option you can see. So there are three ways to find a verse: by page, by juz, para, and by surah. Then you see if you want the tafsir and translation, you can find tafsir what you like, and translation, then reciting and memorization. You can choose reciter and how many times you want to repeat, you can repeat it. So one by one we are going to learn. So first of all we have to find through the page. For example, 600 page I've written. If you type that one, 6. So this is the page 600. So this is the Surah Al-Qari'ah. So we go back again. Then if you want to find 30th juz, write down here 30, then you can have 30th juz. Another way to find a verse, that is go to the surah and which surah you need. All surah are here, 114 surahs. Just find, if like for example I want Surah Al-Qari'ah, so just click Al-Qari'ah, then go, so I can find this one. This is how you are going to find surah, Quran, ayah or page. Now if I want to choose a reciter, go again up on the left, click it. So I want to choose reciter. There is a reciter. I have to click that, and you see there are options. Just find according to your choice, but I always recommend my student Swade. So this is the way, and if you need a translation, you click here, translation, which language you need. These options are here. So here we go.
وتكون الجبال كالعهن المنفوش.
So if you want to memorize, there is good option. You can see reciting and repeater. So you choose reciter. Then how many times you have to repeat because you want to memorize, for example Surah Al-Qari'ah. So click on repeating option. So write in surah which ayah you want to repeat. For example, ayah number 6 or 4, and how many times 2. And they asked me that it is should know how much delay. So just give the option according to your choice, how much time you want to I don't know what's the problem here, but this is option. You just click it, and they ask you how many it should be short time duration. It means gap between two verses. So I give the option 2, repeat for ayah. So let's see. Start.
فأما من ثقلت موازينه.
When you listen the ayah, just follow that. Repeat. فأما من ثقلت موازينه.
فأما من ثقلت موازينه. فأما من ثقلت موازينه.
فأما من ثقلت موازينه.
فهو في عيشة راضية.
And if you want to stop, there's a stop option, just click that. And if you play, there's an option, click that.
فهو في.
If you want to have tafsir, you can view tafsir here, but in Arabic, and but you have to discover which language you require. And if you want to copy that one, you can copy next ayah, then send where you want to send, which option, just send the verse. And if you want to see a translation, this is the option. You give the translation English you want to view, then view that. See, so this is translation. If you want to read, for example, this is surah, this surah, the striking calamity. What is the striking calamity? Surah Al-Qari'ah. And what can make you know what is the striking calamity? It is the day when people will like mouse disappear, and the mountains will be the whole fluffed up, so on. So this is very good app for recitation, for memorization, for translation, for tafsir, but it's excellent for recitation and practicing Quran. If you want to develop, improve your tajweed, just go with this app, follow the Sheikh Amin Suwaid. So jazakumullah khairan kathira. Always remember me in dua. Share, subscribe, like, and share our channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.